1. Ozone layer over Antarctic shows signs of healing. GS Paper 3, Conservation. Why is it in news recently? Atmospheric scientists have seen signs of the mending of the ozone hole above the Antarctic. The report says that this healing is a direct result of the curb on the release of chlorofluorocarbons following from the Montreal Protocol of 1987. Depletion of ozone over Antarctica. The ozone hole is a region of depleted layers of ozone above the Antarctic region, whose creation is linked to increased cases of skin cancer. Depletion of ozone is due to many factors, the most dominant of which is the release of chlorine from CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, which destroys the ozone. What paved the way for the recovery of ozone? CFCs are released by products such as hairsprays, old refrigerators, etc., and the decision taken by all countries in the Montreal Protocol to ban products that release CFCs has been effective. There are 3 stages in the ozone recovery process, as the researchers write in the science paper. Reduced rate of decline, leveling off of the depletion, and last, ozone increase linked to reduction of the levels of CFCs. And the scientists had observed the 3rd stage of recovery. Note, typically, depletion of ozone becomes significant in September and peaks in October. So the measure of the ozone hole in September is a marker of the extent of ozone depletion. Does climate change affect ozone layer? This has, however, been a fairly slow process of healing, slower than expected. The Montreal Protocol to ban the use of CFCs was implemented more than 37 years ago. This has not happened quickly because of the long residence time of CFCs in the atmosphere and the role of natural processes such as El Niño and volcanic eruptions. This draws to attention to that of climate change and its primary causative agent, excessive emission of CO2. Like the CFCs, CO2 is also an inert gas which has a long residence time,